You are now watching Doorbell News.
Queens, New York. It's April Fool's Day today. They say what goes around comes around. Yeah, that's what happens. Instant karma. Tucson, Arizona. That's a pretty big tool he's carrying. Oakland, California. Check her out. She has her eyes on the tip jar. Hey, put that back. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Hey, leave my Ring Doorbell alone, buddy.
Hey, yo, we stole your Ring camera. Yo, we got your shit. You get that kill, boys.
I feel sorry for your mother. Tucson, Arizona.
Knock, knock.
What do you want?
Hi. Is, what's her name? The younger girl?
Huh?
I think you got the wrong
Los Angeles, California. Somebody definitely needs their license revoked. Inglewood, California. Check out Tattoo Lady here. Hey, put that back. Her back looks all sweaty from taking people's stuff all night. Oakland, California. A neighbor shared this dashcam video of a smash and grab that happened at a red light. Queens, New York.
Where?
New Milford, Connecticut. Check this big guy out. Queens, New York.
Your package. Okay. Try put it back. Put it back.
Pittsfield, Massachusetts. So this guy just walks right inside somebody's house. Better keep those doors locked. Bronx, New York. Yeah, this is exactly why I don't like living in apartment buildings. Dallas, Texas.
Bernie wants to lower the price of Ozempic. Well, take a look at his full quote about it. Bernie said, "We need affordable access to all medication, and Ozempic is no exception." Popular drug
Granny got a little hot water. So Granny's okay. You gotta be more careful, mi abuela.
Finally, he said it.
Ay, mira, mira. Faltado así.
¿Qué has hecho, pues?
Ay, no he hecho caer nada. Esto falta aquí. Y está caliente el agua.
Queens, New York. Check this guy out.
Excuse me, what's going on? Hello?
No, get some water.
Oh, I don't know about that. Excuse me?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I would have to ask the other people in the house. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Brooklyn, New York. We got another April Fool here. Bronx, New York. Another April Fool. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.